As you can see here, we are here and we are here to defend this government. Come rain, come sunshine. Nikianza nianze na mambo ya utumishi girls. Mambo nimesikia watu wanasema baada ya utumishi they were expecting president aende utumishi girls. See, president has a lot of things to do. Mambo education ameassign CS of education.
Yes.
And he was there. He really tried his best. And in terms of security, CS Murkomen is doing a great and a nice work. So mambo ya utumishi, it doesn't need president to go there. Is end up during his free time. So let us give our president a humble time, afanye kazi yake. And I know, as myself, I know Mr. President is doing a great work. Even if you have some ABCD critics comes from here and there, those are part of politics, and we learn from mistakes. Whenever there is a mistake, I know hata I may learn from your mistake ya utumishi. Mr. Machogo, I know he's going to rectify on that. And Mr. also CS Murkomen. And back to Ebola. Mr. President, we pledge with you. Hii kitu, try to think it wisely. It might end up bringing us problem. So we need to. I know you're also working on it, and you are going to do a great work. Back to finance bill. I know what finance bill haijafanya public participation. Wacha watu italetwa kwa ground, watu waangalie, waende through it, and then we shall make our own remarks. Let us stop this criticism of people going around telling people, people trying to sell fear to us. Wacha kitu kuche kwa ground, we study from the ground, then we shall also make our own remarks. Therefore, people cool down, itakuja. We shall cross that bridge when we get there.
Yeah.
So people cool down. Hizi mambo yenye watu wanatuuzia uoga ABCD itapita tu.